Good afternoon, this is Rick Miles at Bell Ford, 2401 West Bell Road. Today, I'm going to give you some helpful tips about jump-starting your 2021 Ford Explorer. The first thing we're going to do is open up the hood. Now on these new Explorers, they've got a two-pull system to get the hood open. So you just reach in, pull on it twice, that releases it. And go ahead and pick up your jumper cables, we're going to need those. Now we've got it open and seated, so we're secure and we're ready to start. On these vehicles, the battery compartment, it's located up here in the corner. So you want to release the cover, and that's going to expose the connection area there for you. Next, you're going to get your jumper cables. Any jumper cables will do. And pretty much what I like to do is I attach one of the jumper cables to the cable itself. This way, these two pieces aren't going to touch while you're jumping the vehicle. There's a lot of voltage going through there. So you can lay those down. Now these are black and yellow, some are black and red. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect the positive terminal first. I'm going to use yellow for that. So you reach in, get a nice secure grip there. Then you'll go ahead and go with the negative. Now there's no chance that this is going to spark because remember, the other end of the jumper cables aren't connected. Then what you do is you'll take these cables to the other vehicle you're using. You'll connect positive first, negative second, and then you can start this vehicle. I'm Rick Miles. For this and other helpful safety tips, follow us on YouTube at Bell Ford, or you can give us a call here at 602-866-1776. Thank you.